Our book collection currently has no images. We'll need to add some images before we can continue on to the next panels. Set the Book 1 collection as your target collection. So just right-click on it and go to Set as Target Collection. Now go back to the library and click All Photographs. Highlight the images you'd like to include in your book and press the B key to add them to your new book folder. So I'll start from image 1 and I'm going to hold the Shift key to highlight right up to 24. So we'll create a book with 24 images. Now I'm going to press the B key on my keyboard and you can see that they've all gone into the Book 1 collection. Now double click on Book 1. Next, in your Auto Layout panel, click Auto Layout. We can now see our book preview with all the images we selected. Each image here occupies one page, starting with the first and ending with the last image. If you don't like this layout here, you can click Clear Layout and you can change it to any of the other layout options you prefer. So for example, if I were to click this one over here and click Auto Layout, you can see that the new layout has now been generated with each image, whereas the back page has been left blank. So I'm going to go back to, I'm going to clear this layout and I'm going to go back to one photo per page. Under the Page panel, we can add page numbers to our book. To do so, place a check mark in the Page Numbers checkbox and specify where you'd like them to be placed. So you can either have them in the top corner, bottom corner, and so on, top, side, and bottom. I'm going to go and leave it at bottom corner. I'm fine with that. So although it's hard to see in multi-page view, that's the view we're in right now, if we switch to spread view, right over here, click on this icon, now we can see the page numbers more clearly. So here's 23, here's 24, and so on. This page number here we can't see too well because it's black. Later on, we'll show you how to change the color of your page numbers. Let's go ahead and change this color here to white. To do that, you're going to expand the Type panel and click on the text that you want to change the color of. Now click on the character color picker here, and you can change that to white like that. And then just close the color picker, and that's it. Okay, now I'll scroll back up to the Page panel. "24 images.